Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. So first of all, I'm going to apologize for ghosting you guys for such a long time. I was quite busy with a lot of work. So for today's video, I'm going to do a huge haul. So recently I visited the mall Central, and also I have shopped a little bit from Ajio. So I thought of doing a collaborative haul, and a lot of you guys wanted me to shop from Ajio and check out the website. So I did it for you guys, and I'm so glad that I did it. So if you're interested for the haul, then let's get started for today's video. Okay, so let's start with Central Haul first. So the first item that I'm going to show you guys is this beautiful neck piece over here. Let me show you a close-up. So this has this beautiful chunky chain, and this is the lock. So you just have to take it out like this. Okay, so this comes like this. What you have to do is put this inside the other end, and this is how you are going to get a beautiful chain. I am absolutely loving it. Okay, so this particular neck piece is from the brand Aisha. So this is what the brand looks like. So this came in a beautiful packaging. This was a cardboard, and it was also covered with a plastic packaging. So this is how it looks like. It is so trendy, and it wasn't that expensive. This one was for 798 rupees, and the quality is beautiful. So I have tried a lot of jewelry from Central Mall before, and they last you for so long. This is not going to tarnish really easily. So the quality is top notch. Let's move on with the next item. So for the next item, I got myself a lehenga skirt. So this is how it looks like. This is a very simple lehenga. It is totally black, but the main focus is in the bottom. So this comes with this I think gota patti work. I don't know if it is called something else. Do let me know in the comment section. So I feel this is a little bit of zari with a little bit of gota patti work, and this looks so simple. Like, it is totally black, and this has this one in the bottom. So this I got in the size large because I didn't find small and medium, but I loved it so much, so I got it. So my mom has already altered it. This is a rubber band that she has inserted inside, so it is completely seamless from the outside. So yeah, this one is from the brand Atisha. This is how it looks like. So Atisha brand makes so good traditional wear. I have a lot of kurtis from them, and they are really good quality. This has a lot of ghair. Like, I wanted to do a lot of Indo-Western looks for my Instagram, and this would be perfect because it's in black. Of course, I love black, and black can be paired with almost everything. You can pair this with long kurtas. You can also pair this with blouse. You can also pair this with crop tops, and you are going to get a beautiful Indo-Western look. You can easily dress it up, easily dress it down, and it is totally cotton, so it is going to be very good for the summer as well. So next one is my favorite. So I went to the Central Mall on my birthday, and I couldn't resist myself to get this one. So it is a little bit difficult for me to show you, but you will be seeing it in the try-on version. So this is a jumpsuit, and this is in this beautiful navy blue color. So yeah, this material is not that soothing, to be honest. This is not cotton. It is a little bit thick. So if you want to wear it, you will have to be in air conditioned area. So this is from the brand called Kazo. So again, Kazo is one of my favorite brands. They make beautiful clothes, and the fabrics are really nice and thick. So this is how it looks like. This has a bow detail in the front like this, and it is a body fitted jumpsuit. So I am not that tall. I am like 5'5", but this one is for like tall woman. So if you are like 6'2", you can easily wear this because it is very long. In lockdown, I cannot get hold of any seamstress, so I am waiting for the chance to alter it and wear it. It is pretty long for me. Like, I have to alter this much to wear this because I'm that much short. You can see in the trial version. So yeah, this I really love because it shows off the curves like anything. Again, this is in the size medium and it fits me like a glove. It fits me in all of the right places and all of the curves looks amazing. Like, moving to the next item, I got myself a kurti. So this is a beautiful kurti. This is the front portion and it has this beautiful detailing in the front. This is all handmade, by the way. It looks so gorgeous. And this is how it looks like. It is again navy. So, like whenever I wear kurti, I always gravitate towards navy blue. I don't know why. So this is an asymmetrical kurti. So this is how it looks like, and here in the bottom it is totally asymmetrical, as you can see. So you can easily wear this as a dress, and it also has a tie up detailing in the front with which you can cinch your waist, which is very good for me because I have a very tiny waist and my hips are a little bit bigger. So it looks really flattering on almost every body type, and this is how it looks like. And this is again from the brand Atisha. So Atisha makes beautiful traditional wears. I think they have a website as well. You can go and check it out. This is again in the size medium and it fits me so perfectly. Okay, I have two more items to show you guys from Central. I have this t-shirt. So this is a completely plain black t-shirt. I have so many black t-shirts, you guys. I have so many black t-shirts, but still I get black t-shirts because I wear them like so much. Like I wear black t-shirts with almost everything, but this black t-shirt is the best in the market and the best that I have tried till now because the quality. I really wish that you could feel the quality, It is so good. It is like very soft. So this is from the brand Bare Essentials and this is the size small. So I get a lot of t-shirts from this particular brand from Central only because they make amazing quality t-shirts. This is a completely like solid black t-shirt. I love the quality so much, so I got it in this beautiful olive green color. I love this color so much. Also, this particular t-shirt is available in almost every color. I got this in the color blue. I also have this in pink. I also have this in red. I also have this in navy blue. So I have all of them because these are solid t-shirts and they are very inexpensive. I think this one was for 299 rupees. So if you are looking for solid t-shirts to wear with almost every outfit, go for this one. You are not going to get better t-shirts other than this. Like it has beautiful quality. I wish they had white because I'm looking for a white, good quality, plain white t-shirt for a really long time, but they haven't come up with white. Okay, now that we are done with Central, let's move on with Ajio. I personally never tried Ajio. I don't know why I never tried Ajio, and a lot of you guys wanted me to try Ajio because Ajio is very affordable. Like they have such affordable clothes. And again, one thing that I checked out while shopping in Ajio is that there are a lot of coupon codes that are available. Like if you buy one product with certain price and if you add 2 to 3 products in that particular category, then you will get like 400 rupees off. So it was like really crazy deal. So I got 3 items from there. First of all, I got a paperback jeans. Finally I got a paperback jeans, and if I tell you the story behind me getting a paperback jeans, you're going to go mad. So let me just show you first and I'll continue the story. So this is the paperback jeans that I got. It obviously looks like this, and this has this brownish thread work, which again looks really nice. It has big, like huge pockets in the back, and the front pockets are real, they are not fake. A lot of jeans do not come with real pockets. And you also get this hooks so that you can put your belts. It is a lot baggy, and in the bottom section I folded because I wore it. In the bottom section it is again quite baggy. So this fits me like a glove. Like I cannot tell you, it was so much difficult for me to get a paperback jeans. I'll tell you a short story. So paper bag jeans and mom jeans are very much in trend, right? So I wanted to get my hands on them for such a long time, for like 4 to 5 months. First of all, I ordered a mom fit jeans from the website H&M, and I trust H&M like anything. I love H&M. I love all of their items. But when I ordered a mom fit jeans for me, first of all, I thought it is the correct size, so I ordered in the size 28. So I usually wear 28 and 30 in my normal jeans. So I ordered the size 28 because it was mom fit. I thought it would be a little bit loose on me, but it was so tight. So let me give you a hands up. I have a pear shaped body type. My waist is really tiny and I have a wider hips. So I couldn't get it up only because it was very tight. So I returned it and I ordered again. I ordered in a much more bigger size. I ordered 32 and it was terribly loose on me. So I thought of giving it up. So I returned it. Again, I visited a store in Kolkata only. I never tried those jeans and bought it. So I bought those jeans, and when I came back, it was terribly loose on me. So I still have those jeans. I don't know what to do with them. So yeah, that was a fail again. So ultimately, I ordered a paper bag jeans from Urbanic. So from Urbanic, I have seen the size chart, I've seen everything, and I measured myself this time. But again, it was a blunder. It was really tight on me and I couldn't get it up. So I returned it again, and then I thought that I'm not going to try to get a mom jeans for me because it is not going to work for me. So ultimately there was a sale on Ajio and I thought of giving a last try. So I got this jeans. So the last time I ordered from Urbanic, it was really tight. So I thought of sizing up and I ordered a size 32. But when it came, it was terribly loose on me. But I know that if I ordered it in my size, it would be perfect for me. So I returned it and I got it in the size 30, and this fit me like a glove. It fit me like a glove. So if you are struggling like me, like if you have a pear-shaped body type and if you are struggling to get a paper bag jeans, a mom fit jeans, go for Ajio. I'm telling you, you are not going to regret it. You can try this brand out. This is Outright. Yeah, I think I spelled it correctly. This is the brand. They have a lot of similar looking jeans. You can go and try it out, and do not forget to put in your exact sizing. That was a little story time. Let's move on to the next item. So the next item I got a shirt. So this is how it looks like. It is already ironed, so I'm not going to open it. Again, this is a very basic shirt. I wanted to get the offer, so I got this. This one is from the brand DNMX and this is in the size medium. It is again totally cotton. It is like white and a little bit of blue color. It looks really nice with a lot of dresses. If you're wearing a bodycon dress, you can put it on top of that. If you're wearing a crop top, you can put it on top of that, and it looks really nice. You can easily wear this by its own as well. This was the entire haul. It was a really random haul, but I picked up some items that I'm going to use for ages. Like these t-shirts, that particular jeans, I'm going to use for ages, and I'm so happy that now I'm shopping much more smarter. Previously I used to get everything that I like and ultimately I never used to wear them, but now I'm only getting items that I'm going to wear for a really long time, and these items are amazing. I'm going to wear them for a really long time. So this was the entire haul video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell notification to get notified every time I come out with a new video. You can also follow me on Instagram as I'm totally active there. And till then, stay safe, stay happy, stay positive. I will see you guys in the next one.